is a pleasure to be performing for you, Shelby State Community College Gill Campus. The demonstration you will see is a stylized performance of precision military rifle drills, a presentation that has been developed and refined over the team's 39-year history. Before you are all full-time students at the Naval Air Technical Training Center. Student drill master training the team is Airman Raymond Bless from Atlanta, Georgia. The members of the Flying Rifles 1992 Demonstration Squad are Airman Michael Tuck from Sydney, Australia. Petty Officer Alan Dockery from Cocoa Beach, Florida. Seaman Terry Murphy from San Diego, California. Petty Officer John T. Sutton from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Airman Alberto Melendez from San Juan, Puerto Rico. Petty Officer David Pierce from Henderson, Kentucky. Airman Keith Ford from Baltimore, Maryland. Airman Edward Hansen from Flandreau, South Dakota. And I am Petty Officer Tracy from Coldwater, Michigan, drill master and narrator for the team. Without further delay, it gives me great pleasure to present your United States Navy Flying Rifles drill team.
Right shoulder, arm. Inspection, cut. Inside out, ski lift, cut.
Flying Rifles were formed in 1953. The team is based upon a tradition of academic excellence, pride in the uniform, and devotion to the naval service. The team's mission is to travel throughout the country in support of Navy recruiting and public relations.
Extra, cut. Cut. Information, cut. Gary, cut.
The men before you are living examples of the outstanding high-quality people in today's armed services. The name Flying Rifles was given to the team through the development of the various rifle manuals, drills, and throws being performed.
Flying rifle, cut. Cut. Object, cut. Needed, cut. On it. Cut. Bravo formation, cut. Pause there, cut.
The weapons used by the drill team are 1903 Springfield 30-06 infantry rifles. These same weapons were used by the Allied forces in both the First and Second World War. The 10-inch bayonet mounted on the rifle is the original case-hardened steel bayonet used on the Springfield in combat.
Reform. Cut. wheel. Hut. Oh. Baker. Hut. Phoenix. Hut. Rocket! Hut! Diamond formation! Hut!
The Flying Rifles will now move into the diamond formation. Student Drill Master Bless will stand in the center of the formation as rifles are exchanged to the front, behind, to the side, and overhead, passing as close to 2 to 3 inches from his body.
X-ray! Hut! Suicide! Hut!
Unlike similar performing units of the United States military, the Flying Rifles are all full-time students. They attend the various technical training schools at the Naval Air Technical Training Center. Schools they attend range from aviation electronics to aircraft mechanics, from aircraft weapon systems to air traffic control. Additionally, many of the team's members are selected for advanced schools in their chosen fields. After they graduate from their schools, they lead the drill team for service with the fleet, where they maintain the Navy's high-tech aircraft and support systems around the world wherever they are needed.
Grapple! Hut! Honor formation! Hut!
The highest honor the Flying Rifles can bestow on someone is to recognize them in our honor salute. Will Dr. Albert T. Gill, Jr., namesake of Gill Campus, please step forward.
Honor salute! Hut!
with you, Dr. Gill.
Aim salute.
Flying Rifles will now salute you, the spectators and ball teams, with our team salute.
Two.
In closing, we thank you for your courtesy and hospitality, and would especially like to thank Southern State Community College Gill Campus for inviting us. Thank you very much. Stay motivated. Go Navy.
As you can see, everybody else is just one of you.
Hey, when we do Venus, it's a throw.
Good armor, just get pieces out for everybody else.
Look at the gracefulness of his spins. He's just the best. As to me, better known as to me, Murphy.
What? Armor to make you on. Take them off. Good, these are screwing them off. Here. I can take a car and these off. I'll do that.
Hey, Dave, back. Hey, it feels much different with the sheets. Oh, yeah, it does.
That sheet makes a big difference.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember, you can throw it long.
Probably be a lot.
When I get home, I'll make me a lucky stick.
Okay. Save the rest of it. Hear that blade? That blade.
You're out.
I'm out. Not two. I lost it. Who's still going?
Go down. Keep 3 eyes, man.
I was out long ago.
Oh,
I got it.
come on now, man.
Huh?
You got it.
Whoa.